Whoa. Okay, Halloj. And good morning, Christmas Eve. Yes. Today, no, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. Yesterday was Christmas Eve. We had Christmas together and oh wow, it's so light. And now we're leaving. Today we are leaving. We're just cleaning up, eating breakfast, and then we're gonna leave for the airport. Not really, but the airport is at 6 p.m. Now it's 10 a.m. But we will go to a city called Paphos? Question mark? Yes, we're going there to see some historical things. And then we will leave for the airport. Update. And also Halloj, welcome. Okay, so we went here for the archaeological place. It's closed because it's Christmas Day. So this is what we've done instead. You know, been at the beach, enjoying food, taking a walk, you know, stuff. So now it's time to get some gas and then go to airport, I think. Yes. Okay, so we're at the airport. 4 hours too late because our flight is 1 hour delayed. So now we're sitting here at the gate waiting. We'll see if we ever get home.